Hey, how's everyone doing today? So today I want to share with you a great product that really takes care of an issue that a lot of Honda owners are dealing with. It's been going on for many years now, and it kind of is getting worse and worse, and I see a lot of stories online, and it has to do with the wheel theft. If you guys own a Honda or Acura especially, you'll notice online a lot of people are getting their wheels stolen. That can, not only is it the wheels you have to replace, but they usually do a lot of damage to the car getting the wheels off by setting the whole car on the ground. So I want to share something with you that does a great job and it'll help protect your investment. Okay? And it handles a lot of different things than just Hondas and Acuras, but it has to do with the wheels. They cover different manufacturers. So let me go ahead and share exactly what I'm talking about. So like I said, there's a huge issue with people, a lot of the Honda Accords, the newer ones and older generations, getting their wheels stolen all the time. They love the wheels. They like to resell them, and they damage the car in the process. So if you guys haven't heard of Rim Guard, you definitely need to check these things out. They're a great wheel lock. They fit a lot of different makes and models. Here, I'll put it on the screen, the manufacturers it covers. You can see there's Acuras, Audi, Dodge, Ford, Honda, Lexus, Mercedes, Nissan, Tesla, Toyota, Volvo. Now there's different models in there. You just have to go through it and see if yours is covered. But I wanted to share with you guys, especially for the Honda and Acura owners. These are a great wheel lock. They'll definitely deter thieves. Like, it's a small price to pay to protect your investment. Like I said, it's not just the wheels, but it's great quality. I highly recommend these. So here's one part of the lock. Let me get it out here and I'll show you kind of how it goes on the wheels. Now, unfortunately, it doesn't fit the new Acura TLX here, else I'll definitely be running these. Hopefully in the future they make them, but pretty much it'll go like this and cover the lug nut, which I like. So you won't be able to get to the lug nut. And then they have the locks that go inside the cylinder here. And these are all key different, so it's not like a master lock fits them all, like the Honda OEM wheel locks. It kind of goes like that and sits in there. And then you need this key to take that off. And like I said, these are all different, which is nice. Because the OEM ones, a lot of them have master sets. So you can go and pop most of these off if you just get the master key to them all. So like I said, I highly recommend these wheel locks. They fit a lot of different ones. They have wheel locks that'll fit the brand new 11th gen Honda Accord, the new Civic. And then of course they have the ones that fit the Honda Accord 10th gen. And that seems to be the most popular vehicle that gets the wheels stolen, I've noticed still. And then it also fits Acura vehicles with the 5x114.3 bolt pattern as well. So unfortunately the new ones, they got away from the 5x114.3. That's why they won't fit. But a lot of the older ones, it will. And then if you have another make and model, if you have a Toyota Camry, something like that, they make them for that too. So I'll put a link in the description, guys. Go to their website, check them out. You put what you're looking for, what make and model you have, and it'll bring up the available options for that. And then they have great customer service. If you're not really sure before you order, just reach out to them. They have a contact information. I'll put it down below too in the description. You just contact them, tell them what vehicle you have, and then what will also help, you can send a picture of your wheel. Because a lot of these wheel locks, it depends how deep the spokes come out, and then also what size center cap you have. So if you have a smaller center cap, it takes a certain type. If you have a larger center cap, it takes a different type. So the easiest thing I found, you just email them with a picture of your wheel, and they'll set you right up with exactly what you need. So there's no headaches. That's the best way to do it. But like I said, they have wheel locks for so many different makes and models. I highly recommend them. They're a great product. They're super strong. and they'll definitely keep your wheels safe on your vehicle. I know there's a lot of different wheel locks out there. This is one I stand behind. They not only look great on the car, but what I like about them is it covers the OEM lug nuts. That's what I like about them. So the thief can't even get on the lug nut to wrench on them because it has this big cover on it. You know, so, and that's mainly what you're looking for when you buy wheel locks. It's to deter thieves. You know, anything can be broken, but you want to make it as hard as possible for someone trying to take your wheels. And I've heard of a lot of good things about these things. I've talked to people that run them all the time, and they've had nothing but success with them. You know, like I said, I do highly recommend these. And I had them on my Accord, and I was wishing they had them for the new Acura TLX, but they haven't made them yet. So hopefully in the future, you know, if they do, I'll definitely let you guys know, keep you guys in the loop. But I would definitely run those on my car. So it's the only reason I don't have them, because they don't fit. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. If you haven't seen them, definitely check the link in the description to check their website out. You'll be really happy with them, and I would highly recommend them if you live in an area, you know, or you have to park on the street that gets a lot of vandalism. You know, make it harder. You know, make them go to another vehicle that doesn't have locks on if they're going to take wheels. You know what I mean? They're not going to waste their time trying to use pro bars and make a lot of noise and spend a lot longer than they have to try to get something. They always go for the easy bait. So again, I just want to share that with you guys. Check them out. I think you guys will be really happy with them. If you have any questions, comments, leave them below. I'll get right back to you. Help you out whenever I can. And I appreciate it. Hope everyone's having a great day out there. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks again, everybody.